Here is a request from a student on how to create a melody and or riff. And so what we're going to do, we're looking at this at the beginner level, and what we're going to do is we're going to formulate two chords, E minor and D. The only two chords we're going to play. So E minor is a 6-string chord. Finger number 2 is fret 2, string 5. Finger number 3 is fret 2, string 4. D is a 4-string chord, and you're going to put finger number 1 on string 3, fret 2. Finger number 2 is string 1, fret 2. Finger number 3 is string 2, fret 3. Okay? And now what we're going to do is we're going to play them 2 measures each. Now, if you're not familiar with this strum pattern, watch my earlier quarantine videos 1, 2, and 3. I talk about strumming and so on. Now we're going to look at something I talked about in my quarantine beginner lesson number 4, is the minor pentatonic scale. It goes like this: 3rd fret open, 3rd fret open, 2nd fret open, 2nd fret open, 2nd fret open, 3rd fret open. If you want more details on that, look at my quarantine beginner lesson number 4. So what we're going to do now is we're going to create a melody to go along with the chord change I just showed you with the E and E minor and D. And what we're going to do is 2 measures each. So what you're going to do is you're going to play the E note here, which is on string 4, fret 2. And then you're going to play the E note on string, the D note, D note, which is open, string 4, okay? And so you can create a melody like this, okay? So let's say the count is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm doing is I'm matching the note, which is called this is the root note, this is a pedal point. They're both pedal points, but there's only one root note. And so what I'm doing is I'm playing the note to match the chord structure, and then this note to match the chord structure. So watch, you could do simple stuff like see? Now, so mix and match the notes, use your pedal points, mix and match the notes any way you want. Pretty much can't go wrong here. You could play any note, and as long as you keep with your pedal point, you'll be able to create a melody. Now you can also do this on string 1, this is an E note, open, and string 2, 3rd fret, is your D note. So you can also do the same kind of thing. So when you're playing the E chord, and the D note, you can go back to the other notes I showed you. See, so what I just did, I mixed it up a little bit, played some other notes, and you could do the same. So what I'm going to do now, just for a couple minutes, so you can play along to it, play along with your friends and things like this, but what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to play these chords just for a couple minutes here, so you can create a melody at home, play along to what I'm going to do right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. you go. There's a basic little jam session there that you can do. You can play along with. I will shoot another video, and so we could get a little more complex on the next video. I'll not more complex, but for beginners. So I will shoot that video. But look at the time. It's past my bedtime. I gotta go. Subscribe. Have a great day.